Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and today I have bring another sewing project. As you can see, we have a beautiful bag in front of us. My client wanted to replace this zipper which I already have did it. That zip was totally damaged and the fabric from this zipper was so damaged, so we have replaces the fabric around and also the zipper and also inside lining as well. But before heading over to the project, if you're new to my channel, you're very warmly welcome. I teach sewing, cooking and DIY projects. Just go ahead and subscribe so you can get all the further updates related with this channel. So let's go ahead and start it over to the project. So here's the bag I have. My client gave me to replace zipper from inside pocket, and if you noticed, the sides fabric is tearing apart. So for that, we're just gonna first of all to take out this zipper. I'm gonna use a seam ripper, and also as you can see that this fabric is damaged from the sides, so I'm gonna use a cotton fabric on the sides, to make this fabric more steady, and that will also help out us to when we put our zipper inside. So this fabric not gonna have a much pressure because we are going to use also cotton fabric around, so stay tuned. So here's the pocket is separated and also zipper, as you can see. So we're just gonna keep them inside. We will do the new zipper here, and this is the part, you see that we have to add a little bit of fabric around so we can make this fabric more steady. But before that, we are also going to opening from the bottom of lining. Okay, it's hand stitch. We're just gonna open from the bottom part. Okay, that will give us access to go inside and stitch from inside, not from outer side. Okay, so go ahead and open your pocket lining and then I will be back. So I have prepared these two binder strips. I have already teach on my channel how to make them. It's pretty simple. I just cut the 2 inches strip and fold it from 1/4 inch on both sides, and that's how we cut the strip. Okay, so we're just going to pinning up each strip to each opening. That will really help us out to protect the lining fabric. So rather than having a pressure on this fabric which is already damaged on a zipper seams, our zip will have the strength from this cotton fabric. Okay, exactly. I'm going to pin up on upper side as well, and then I will be back. So here the both straps I have pinned up. Now I just gonna do top stitch to protect those binders, and after that we will add our pocket and the zipper inside. So let's go ahead to sewing machine, and we are just going to top stitch. And remember, we have opened this back lining, so we're just gonna place this part open into our sewing machine. I will show you how. I'm simply just going to remove this thing so we can have an extra leverage on a bottom area, and simply just open your lining, okay, and place. See that how easily it's get into. So we are just going to start with straight stitch and start with the back foot stitch so you are protecting your thread. Now here the trick. Okay, so leave your needle inside, put the presser foot up, and move your bag. And now we're gonna stitch from side. I know it's a little bit harder, but we still can stitch it. Just make sure you are stitching only one layer of lining, not the both layer, because that will be disaster if you stitch both sides. Okay, now it's time to just fold a little bit of your purse, because we have to get through this on the other side as well. Okay, again, make sure we are not stitching anything else. Just take your time. I mean, since those stitches are inside, so that's okay if it's not really get around the edge. Okay, or you just want to protect your fabric. Okay, almost there. Make sure there's no other fabric. And if you feel like you're going to have a hard time with your sewing machine, just simply do hand stitch. Okay, here we are. Now we're going to use again same technique by keeping our needle inside, and we are just moving this purse around. To the back first stitch, and here we are. And as you can see now, this part is protected to place the zipper. So simply first, the easiest technique I want to use, I first gonna stitch my zipper with this pocket, and then I will just place this inside with the zipper, of course, and then we will just pin up and sew around the edges. That will be the easiest technique. Okay, but before that, another step which I am going to do, I'm simply first going to measure my zipper how much I needed. So of course, as much as I have a pocket here. Okay, so I'm going to use left out the seam allowance on the side. Okay, and I will measure, but I have a piece of fabric here which I wanted to protect both sides, opening and the end part. I will just use this piece from leftover my binding and stitch. Of course, I'm gonna cut a little bit so I can be on this, the edge of the metal, and then I will be sew and protect it exactly same way. As you can see, even this zipper have a metal piece. Okay, so that's a protection. In the same way, we want to have a protection of our pocket zippers, even though they are going to place inside, but yet we don't want, they get ripped off like our previous zipper, which I had show my client had to bring with her purse. That zipper was totally ripped off, which we don't want to have happen. Same thing with our new zippers. So let's protect first the zipper, and then I will show how to attach with the pocket. Okay, and I'm going to cut extra zipper from here. All right, and then also I am going to close up on this side as well, exactly the same way I have protect on this side. So both sides I'm gonna do same. Okay, also since I seen this fabric is a ripped off, you know, it's not too steady, so I decided to use a cotton fabric lining inside for pocket, and I have exactly cut the length of the same with the pocket. I already have the iron from the top. Now the simplest step which we are going to do, we are first going to stitch our one side zipper, okay, and then we will open our zip and the stitch on other side as well. I already have my zipper presser foot on, so that will help us to easy to sew on the top. So let's head to our sewing machine now. Now we are doing exactly same method and going to stitch other side like a bag top zipper. You see that? Just go ahead and pin up and start stitching on the other side as well. Okay, now it's time to sew from sides. If I show you, our zipper pocket is ready to lining up with our this opening which we have protect with the binder. Okay, so simply easiest technique, we are placing the zipper inside. Okay, just pin up. Now this one is a tricky part. If you want, you can do hand stitch, you know, with the double string thread. If you are not satisfied with the hand stitch or you are confident with your sewing machine, you are going to use okay. The other thing, if you remember before we had stitch, we had opened our the bottom of the lining and we had just sew from side, but now we can't because our pocket is inside now. So now we have to just take our zipper opening, but before that make sure your zipper is able to close and open because you don't want all your effort be wasted. Okay, so try a couple times and you see it's a straight, it's smooth. Now you can open it and now you can start stitching. Thank you so much for watching our today sewing project. If you really like our today project, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share with your family and friends so many people can learn about sewing, cooking and DIY projects. I love you all. Be safe wherever you are and have a lovely, fabulous day. Bye-bye.